local government election in Yobe State. I'm here in Buniadi. Buniadi is the headquarters of Gujo local government area. The town has been occupied by Boko Haram for like 2 years, but since the coming of His Excellency Honorable Malabuni, peace has returned. A lot of developmental projects. Before you come to this town during the crisis, it will take you like 3 hours before the bad road network. Now you can see 18 minutes, 20 minutes in Buniadi. People are here, people are casting their vote, it is peaceful, and we hope this concept and mindset of His Excellency will go around across all the states of the Federation. Peace will return everywhere and our people will return to their homes.
Looking at the moments here today, showing that peace has returned. What good message are you passing to people across that watch this program?
The good message is when you live peacefully with your neighborhood, when you live in peace with around you, definitely you will enjoy the benefit of democracy. When His Excellency came on board, one thing he prioritized is empowering all the sectors that will bring benefit to the people that have returned post-insurgency. Today in Buniadi, 70% of the households that are initially born were rebuilt, publicly building the hospitals, the police station, public structures, road networks have been constructed. So this shows that people should expect, when you vote the right leader, you expect more dividends of democracy, and this will be expected across the country. The message for youth is to be peace-loving, to respect our leaders, to respect the leadership of the government, to respect constitutional authority, and never to take laws into our hands. That's the message to our youth. Thank you very much.